So why are we making this video today? What's it all about? I did a video a few months back, this video right here, describing going through the iRIG stream. But user John Peter 4472 said, "You didn't show us how to set it up. I'm a pianist and I think it might work for my church piano cam content." Well, John Peter, I got you covered, all right? We're gonna get this out before church service next Sunday. Welcome and welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you've already joined the tribe, thank you so much for joining. I'm Matty McCaskill, a songwriter, musician, audio engineer, and a songwriting and music business strategies coach and consultant for emerging independent artists. Making music independently doesn't mean you have to struggle or navigate this industry alone. And I always say that coaching is like Google Maps. It gets you from point A to point B in the shortest distance possible. All right, so we've got the iRIG stream right here. You take the iRIG stream, you take your RCA cables, you plug your RCA cables, match them up, red, white, like this. All right. Then you take whatever cable is relevant to the telephone that you're trying to stream live with. So in my case, I've got a Samsung S22. And so I'm going to be using the USB-C. And you connect the USB-C cable right here. Or if you have the older iPhone, you can use their Lightning cable port. Those are the only things that are different. The multi-pin port at the back is always going to be the same. So you take that, plug the multi-pin piece into there. Oh, okay, hold up. Into here, like that. So then I've got the 3.5 millimeter from the RCA cable. I take that, I plug on an adapter, or you can just go into your computer, or if you have something that has a 3.5 jack, sorry, I couldn't think of it, a 3.5 jack, then you can go straight into your computer or whatever it is that you've got that's going into that, right? You want to get that sound off of there. But specifically for church, I'm assuming that you have a mixer probably. So plug this part practically into your headphone port on your mixer, or port that's sending the balance signal from the musicians out, right? A sum. Or also in this case, you might be using a audio interface, specifically if you're going to be using like main stage, or you've got a computer and you're using something more digital. In that case, you want to take this 1/4 inch to 3.5 millimeter adapter and plug that into your headphone jack, like that. And then you want to just work with the volume, and just set it to a nice place with the volume. So also what's really important is that I've noticed in forums and things like that, that when you start a live, sometimes you want to start the live. This is very important. Sometimes you want to start whatever it is, like a live on Facebook or a live on YouTube or potentially a live on Instagram. Instagram can get a little weird, and TikTok is still a little weird trying to do live things on TikTok using Samsung telephones. But iPhones, it seems to be a little bit more intuitive with that specific platform. But you want to start the live stream first, and then you want to plug in whatever cable that you have that's going to go to your telephone once that live stream is started first. And that's it. John Peter 4472. I hope that this helped you out. I hope this allows you to have an amazing church service. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give a like. Think about joining the tribe and subscribing if you have not already. And I'm going to leave a link to the iRIG stream and all of the pieces that I used in this video in the description below. If you like it, go grab it. If you're a singer-songwriter and you are got music in your heart, you have music that's uncompleted, and it's about time for you to start putting out your music, but with a big splash and not a little baby splash, it might be time to have a conversation. Connect with me in the links in the description section. And as always, remember to stay focused. I'm out.